out the 2-pack from Rugtol. These are some tie-down straps. They are 1.5 inch wide by 10 feet long. Brake strength 1,560 pounds, workload limit of 520 pounds. You have a nice metal clamp here. It's got some kind of sharp teeth to bite into it. So you can loosen it. It has a little handle on the end if you need to crank it down. Easy to release. It has a clip and a loop. Clip it to itself, so you could put this around a motorcycle handlebar or something like that to be able to cinch that down.